huge blow this is for the TMC, right ahead of the polls at that. Weeks after quitting the Trinamool Congress, Dinesh Trivedi has joined the BJP today. Remember, he was a member of parliament, and now in the presence of JP Nadda, the BJP president, as you can see, Dinesh Trivedi has joined the BJP. Huge blow, both symbolically as well for Mamta Banerjee, who's facing a tough fight with the BJP in the state of West Bengal. Listen into what Dinesh Trivedi said at the time of his induction.
When I gave a statement on the floor of the Rajya Sabha that we are in politics to serve the people. In Bengal, there is so much of violence, there is so much of corruption, that everything is now based on tolabaji, cut money, and violence. People of Bengal are very cultured. They reject violence. Day in and day out, when I could not stop that, I had been the founder member of TMC. Ideology was people. Now that ideology has shifted, and I think the party has gone out of the hands of the people who created the party.
You said political family. What do you mean by saying that?
Everybody knows. I don't have to define that. Everybody knows that you work. I mean, almost the relation becomes master and slave. The master says this and the slaves follow it. I never did that. And that is why I always protested. And that is why I was disliked. I never left my political ideology, no matter where I was. So the choice was to serve a political family or to serve the people. That is why I said, this is Bharatiya Janata Party. That you are here for the Janta, by the Janta, and that is what we want in political life.
Will you be contesting in the West
Otherwise tell me, I had 5.5 years left. Why would I leave? If getting into parliament was the only objective, then I was quite happy being there. Obviously, the principle was being compromised. I didn't compromise. But I did not think that that is the platform I should be. And I am grateful to Bharatiya Janata Party that they found me fit to be part of the whole process.
But will you be contesting the election?
That you should ask the party.
So let me go across to Sharon, who got us that exclusive with Dinesh Trivedi. He seems to be very, very bitter. After all, he was one of the founding members of the TMC. What does it mean for the West Bengal polls? What does it mean for Mamta Banerjee? Because they've been trying to save face, saying that he was never a mass leader.
Well, Meghna, this is of course a big blow to TMC, to Mamta Banerjee, because when we talk about Dinesh Trivedi, he was someone who is a very well-known face of TMC when it comes to, even in the national capital, when journalists used to go to him, we used to know him as the TMC face. He was representing TMC in Rajya Sabha as well. You know, he was a very well-known face among the journalists as well, and also among the politicians as well. Now, JP Nadda, who was in fact present here during the official induction of Dinesh Trivedi, has in fact said that he met Dinesh Trivedi 3 months back and spoke to him when Dinesh Trivedi in fact told him that he wants to work for the nation, and the party that he is in is into violence, indulging in violence, indulging in corruption, and hence he wants to work for the nation, and that is why he wants to switch, and that is the opportunity that the BJP has given to him. JP Nadda at that point, in fact even today in the press conference, has said that Dinesh Trivedi is in fact someone who he always thought that is the right person but in the wrong party, and now by joining BJP he is someone who is the right person in the right party. So now today the official induction of Dinesh Trivedi has happened, and he has been saying that the JP Nadda also said that Dinesh Trivedi will be very active as far as the politics in West Bengal is concerned. Even during the elections he will be part of a number of campaigns. Whether he will contest or not, on record of course they have told us that that is something that the party will decide eventually. But as of now, he has joined, and this comes as a big blow to Mamta Banerjee, just ahead of the polls, because Dinesh Trivedi has been someone who's been associated with TMC for a long period of time. He joined TMC in 1998, and recently he was the Rajya Sabha MP who was representing TMC, and he in fact left that particular seat and has joined the BJP, to which the BJP believes. JP Nadda says that this is idealism versus opportunism, where Dinesh Trivedi in fact seemed it ideal to leave the Rajya Sabha seat of TMC and to join BJP as part of his idealism. So this is, of course, what the BJP has been saying is a fight between the idealism versus the opportunism.